Deanna Maurice, weekly craft and lifestyle content. Today I will be sharing with you all my laundry remake as well as a custom vinyl decal that I made for the wall to go in here. So if you are interested, please continue to watch. So the very first thing that I did was to declutter my space and get these countertops and shelves clear. Here I'm just sweeping out the room and then clearing off the previous decals that I had on the wall and giving the wall a nice wipe down. Now these storage bins I got from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 of them and they fit perfectly on my shelves in the laundry room. In these storage bins, I decided to store my extra cleaning supplies that aren't being used right now. And this system is great because I can easily see what I have or what I'm running low on. So when I go to the stores to pick up new cleaning supplies, I know exactly the amount that I have. On the bottom shelf here, I have my trash bags, and as you guys can see, the trash bag has like an opening on the side. So I just go ahead and I tuck that in there, so when I go to pull them out, it'll be easy for me to just grab the trash bags out. And here in this blue bin that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well, I'll be storing my small electric drill as well as my flashlight and a few other things. Hey guys, just a quick reminder to go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also, you can turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified each and every time I upload. Now let's go move on to cleaning up our washer and dryer. I'm just using these Clorox disinfectant wipes to go ahead and wipe down the surfaces of the washer and dryer. They definitely work well. Now this is a tip that I got from Ann Lee here on YouTube. She just uses her Swiffer with a microfiber cloth and kind of tucks that in and sprays the floor with Lysol. And this actually works really well. Now this is the decal that I created using my Cricut Explore Air 2. If you guys are interested in seeing a full detailed video, I will go ahead and link that up here in the card section so you can go ahead and watch exactly how I make my decal. At this point, I'm just using the transfer tape to go over the decal that I have already cut out and removing it from the back. Now on my wall, I created a horizontal line for exactly where I wanted my decal to lay. So with my scraper, I lined up my decal, and now I'm using my scraper from the center and pushing out to avoid air bubbles as much as possible. If there are any areas that don't adhere, just go back over it with your scraper until you get them to stick. And the trick is to hold the transfer tape as close to each other. Like, so basically I'm pushing that floppy piece of transfer tape down on the other piece of transfer tape because then it helps it to glide off easily. Now I'm just lining up the other pieces of the decal. Before you stick it down, make sure that you take a step back to make sure that everything is going in the correct direction and is lined up the way that you want it to be lined up. For this project here, I am using Oracle permanent vinyl. So you want to make sure that it is lined up exactly how you want it before you adhere it. You will have a bit of time to remove it and replace it, but after a day or so it does become a little harder to remove from the wall. Now that the decal is up, go ahead and use an eraser to erase the line that you put there for a guide. Now I decided to actually reuse the decals that I had previously, and I believe these decals are from the company Wallpop. They're really nice because I actually used this in our first home in our master bedroom, and then after a while, after a year when we moved to this location, I decided that I would use them in the washing room, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But I decided to reuse them again, and that is exactly how they came out looking. Here I'm going to be hemming up a shower curtain to the length that I need it to create a curtain to cover the storage bins that I have in the laundry room. So the first thing that you want to do is measure out exactly how long you want your shower curtain to be to cover your storage bins, and from there you want to add 2 inches for a hem allowance. So here I'm drawing my first line, which was at 43 inches. Then I draw a second line, which was at 44 inches, and now I'm cutting it there. Once you cut your fabric, you want to go ahead and press down the material on that first line there. So on your 43-inch line, you want to go ahead and flip it over. Remember, we're just hemming this shower curtain, so nothing too complicated. And this is going to actually be a no-sew method. So now I'm just checking here to make sure that it is 1 inch so that my shower curtain hem will be nice and even. Now we're just gonna flip that up one more time and kind of use that 1 inch that you ironed up already as a guideline to where you need to press up once again. And pressing is definitely the key to making sure that something looks professional. Just take the extra step to press it out, and it also helps to make your job so much easier. So here I'm just using hot glue to secure the hem, and you just want to put a little bit on the flap and press it down. All I did was hot glue down the entire hemline, and this is what it came out looking like. I gave it one final press just to make sure that everything was nice and flat. And then to hang this up, I'm going to be using a decorative shower curtain tension rod along with these clear hoops here. And I believe these hoops are only like $1 at the time, and you get, I think, like 13 or 14 in the pack. So I'm just going ahead and hooking them onto the shower rod here. And because it is a tension rod, I just screw it out until it fits in place nice and snug. This was super simple to do. I think the shower curtain worked out even better than a typical curtain would work out. Because of the rings at the top, I'm able to move the curtain back and forth easily without much tension being pulled on it. Now this is the rug that I picked up here at Burlington Coat Factory, and it was a nice size, and it was only $9.99. As you guys can see, a really good steal, and it was like in a nice perfect gray color to match back everything in the room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it down here to show you guys exactly how it looks. And that was that. Now this completed my laundry room makeover, and this is what it turned out looking like. I'm absolutely in love with the results that I got. So for a few bucks and a little time, this is the outcome that you can have in your laundry room. Once again, guys, if you guys are interested, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video. Give me a thumbs up and check me out on all my other social media platforms. Until next time, guys, remember to always have good vibes and stay blessed. Bye.